Guys, today we're going to be doing slime in a bottle, even though I have bowls here and containers. So this is going to be my filling area now. There's nothing really to say, but let's get on with this video. But first, let's do shoutouts. So there's going to be 3 shoutouts. You guys know the drill, right? But it's okay if you don't, but if you don't, that means you're not watching my videos. If you don't, the drill is like, subscribe, and comment down below, done, or say, shout me out please, first 3 that I find, shout it out in my next video. Okay, so here we have Marina Duncan, Supreme Patty, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, sorry, Danis Mendez. But congrats to those shoutouts, I guess, but let's get on with the video. Okay, so I have a new okay, let's start with the glue first. So let's get the glue. Okay, let's do this very slow. So I have to do it from the high angle so I won't spill. I learned that, so it goes drizzle and a little drizzle. And start doing a lot. Okay, that's enough. Stop. Wait a second. Okay. And this is probably gonna be the storage bottle for this too. Okay. What color? No, let's do shaving cream. Because if we add the color and then shaving cream, the shaving cream is gonna take it all away. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, it needs to stop. We need to stop. Okay, let me just clean this up real quick. So, okay, clean up a little bit. Now let's just mix this part up because I need to add more shaving cream than this. So. Come on. Slap, abuse the bottle, abuse the bottle. Abuse the slime bottle, abuse. Excuse me. Alright, let's see. I think it's liquid now, so let me add more. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So let's just get one of my thin mixing sticks and drag it in. Alright, there. That's enough. Now, take 2. I'm gonna start from the part way down. Okay, I'm gonna add glue on top of it. There. Problem solved. Just add glue on top of it. Please don't clog. Please don't clog. I said please. Let me just see what happens if I add a drop. Ah, dang it, it clogged. Okay. Oh gosh, wrong cap. Alright, you know what? Well, let's just move on to, color. Alright, so I cleaned this up a little. So I've decided to just add all these colors because they're all liquid and they don't work well at all. So let's just add all of them. But first, let's open the cap up and check it out. Yeah, let's shake it out first. Because this, I'm just gonna turn it upside down. Now I'll be back in the estimate time. 2 hours. Okay, so it has passed 2 hours and let's just skirt. Still didn't work. But I'm just gonna call it down again. I did it. So let's start off with, ouch, this hurts. The white. Oh, these are cute. I could do these for containers. Okay, let's do the white. Oh, these kind of smell bad, but I'm gonna rinse all of them with the water once I finish. Alright, let's just do it. And this black. Guys, I bet I could read your mind out of the camera at different times. So I'm gonna guess what color you're gonna choose. What color should I do? I think you guessed yellow. Comment down below if I was right, but I'm pretty sure I was not right. I just guessed a random color. Yeah, it's a lot harder. Okay, peel everything off. Ugh, these smell horrible actually, to be truthful. Okay. Nice. It looks like an egg yolk right now. Okay. Let me take this off real quick. My hands are covered with, ouch, I pinched myself. Paint. No. Oh, I saved it. But it's still dripping. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back and wash my hands. Okay, I'm gonna guess the next color. You pick green. I'm just doing the worst colors because you want me to have exact colors, but it doesn't matter because we need all the colors anyways. Yeah. Okay, well I don't want to get our hands dirty anymore, so let's just use this. Should have done that in the first place. And go over, out, go, dang it, hit my slipper. And dump the rest. Great. Last one is, let me guess, blue! Oh god, I dropped it. Okay. Let's see. What is this nonsense? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead for it in. Dang it! Thought I was doing it this time. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Okay. I'm gonna clean my hands. Cause I need to clean my hands. Hands are blue now. Let's clean the bottle too. There's no way I'm gonna shake this bottle. Okay, so I cleaned up the bottle a little bit, so let's close the cap. And I bet this is gonna make a brown. Yeah, go brown. Okay, let's just shake it up. I don't care anymore. Oh, look, all the colors on the bottom. Alright, let's see it. It's black. Literally black. I just see black in there. Alright, let's form this to slime. Alright, that's been taking a long time, so I'm just going to speed up the process with a bit of baking soda. Don't worry, I said a bit. So I have this kind of small spoon, and I'm just going to go for it. That was a lot. Oh gosh. Okay, whatever, let's just close the cap and make it slime. Alright, I need a bowl, so I'm gonna use this one. Oh, it's slime. Oh, I was right, it did turn kind of brownish. Oh, it actually is kind of slime, because that did. Wait, did I actually make slime? I did. That was fast. But it's really sticky, so I did not add enough something. Alright, let's take the rest out of this. Please come out, because I do not want to spend the rest of my life taking all this slime out. You know what? I'm just going to waste that slime. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to. Okay, I'm pretty sure I didn't add enough shaving cream, so let's add some more shaving cream. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, now we're talking. It's slime. It's slime? I guess this slime in a bottle kind of work, but not super good work. Or is that just me? Okay. This is very interesting slime. It's kind of stretchy. And it's just fluffy. But that was the for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you wanted to get shout out in my next video, comment down below and I'll shout you out. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!